Monopoly Go airplane mode after the latest update. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So when you come to Monopoly Go over here, if you want to play in airplane mode after the latest update, it will bring an error message of no internet. Okay, let's give it a try and see how many times my dice will roll. I'll come over here and then turn on my airplane mode and then I'll click on go. So when I click on go over here, as you can see, the dice will start rolling right away. Okay, so that's the first time. I'll click on go again. Second time it's rolling, click on go again. Third time, okay, and now here just come and clock there and then collect, and then I'll try to roll for the next time. So that's the third time it's rolling. All right, keep rolling. All right, so again keep rolling. Okay, keep rolling one more time. So you have to keep on rolling, keep on rolling, keep on rolling. Okay, and then I'll just come and click on the shutdown over here to claim whatever I've been collecting. Okay, so when I click on the shutdown, as you can see, it brings the internet connection error message, the one I've been talking about in the new update because of the airplane mode. So to overcome such an issue, what you'll do is simple. Head over to your Google Play Store. So on your Google Play Store, what you'll do is simple. Come to search bar and then search for any VPN. Okay, so for search for any VPN, first come and turn off this airplane mode over here. Okay, and then come to search bar there. Okay, so for this case, I'll come and search for any VPN. Okay, so when you come to Google Play Store, search for any VPN of your choice, and then make sure that you download that VPN of your choice. Okay, so after downloading that VPN of your choice, you make sure that you come and open it. So for my case, I think I have a VPN that's already running over here. Okay, so just come here and I search for VPN. So for this case, I'll search for that VPN, which is standard VPN. Okay, and then I'll just launch it up a bit. Okay, so after launching it up, I'll come and connect to any server of my choice. Okay, and then after connecting to any server of my choice, when you go back to your Monopoly Go application, it will be running well and good. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.